Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of Boost Mobile, one of the most recognizable prepaid wireless brands in the United States. Whether you've seen their flashy $25 unlimited ads or you've just heard about them in passing, by the end of this video you'll know everything you need to know to decide if Boost is the right one for you in 2025. Let's get started. Boost Mobile was founded all the way back in 2000 in Australia, and a year later in 2001 it launched in the US in partnership with Nextel Communications. Since then, Boost has been transforming from a traditional prepaid carrier into something bigger. Dish promised to build its own 5G network, and Boost became the flagship prepaid brand under that new infrastructure. As of early 2025, Boost Mobile serves over 7.2 million wireless subscribers in the US and is recognized as the fourth largest wireless carrier behind Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. Now let us talk about the main features of Boost. First up, they offer prepaid wireless service, which means no contracts, no credit checks, and no hidden fees. You pay upfront and know exactly what you're getting. So whether you're a college student, a freelancer, or someone who just wants flexibility, this is a huge plus. Next, Boost provides access to nationwide 5G and 4G LTE networks. And here's what's interesting. They operate using a combination of Dish's own growing 5G network and roaming agreements with both AT&T and T-Mobile. So in practice, Boost customers can enjoy fast and reliable coverage almost anywhere in the US, especially in urban and suburban areas. Boost also supports eSIM activation and bring your own device. So if you've already got a compatible phone, you can easily activate it on Boost's network. This includes the latest iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, Pixels, and more. And one of the standout features is the lifetime plan. Boost offers an unlimited plan with 30 gig of high-speed data for just $25 a month. And the best part, that price is locked in for life as long as you stay on autopay and you keep your line active. It's not a promotional price, it's forever. And if you want a new device, Boost has that covered too. They offer a postpaid style program called Infinite Access that includes a brand new iPhone or Galaxy phone, yearly upgrades, and full access to Boost's higher tier plan benefits. It's designed for people who want the phone and the plan all in one, just like traditional carriers. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's the unlimited plan, there's the unlimited plus plan, and the unlimited premium. The unlimited plan costs $10 per month for the first 2 months, and then you start to pay $25 per month forever. It's locked in. There's the unlimited plus plan at $50 per month. And there's of course the unlimited premium plan at $60 per month with different perks. What are the pros and cons of using Boost Mobile? First, we talk about the pros. One strong point is the lifetime $25 unlimited plan. That's an unbeatable pricing for moderate data users. No contracts or credit checks. There's nationwide coverage and affordable multi-line options. How about the cons? Data caps on high speed. Customer service issues. These are mixed reviews from customers, but it's not always the case. No premium perks. Unlike big carriers, you don't get free streaming subscriptions or VIP customer care with Boost plans. So why is Boost Mobile one of the best options in 2025? It's simple. For the price-conscious customer who wants modern features, fast data, and solid coverage, Boost delivers on all fronts. So whether you're a student, a traveler, a gig worker, or someone who just doesn't want to be tied down with carrier contracts, then Boost Mobile gives you exactly what you need without the fluff. The $25 unlimited plan alone is reason enough to check it out. And when you add in things like eSIM support, multiple tiers, phone bundles, and access to top tier networks, it becomes clear that Boost has evolved into more than just a budget carrier. It's now a smart choice for people who value control, customization, and cost efficiency. So, if you're looking to try other alternatives aside from Boost Mobile, you may explore Visible by Verizon, Mint Mobile, and Cricket Wireless. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.